Hello and welcome to TXM TV. I'm Anthony Clyne, and today we're talking about how to ramp up quickly when volume distributions are volatile and the customers are also changing, driving different demand patterns and different supply chains. So at TXM, what we do is we equip companies to respond rapidly to new demand patterns. And what we're seeing, especially in the food sector, is dramatic changes. We're seeing what was traditional, a nice balanced, consistent split between retail, especially including grocery stores, and food services or the restaurants and cafes has changed dramatically. And so what once was food services went to retail, and that had huge ramifications on packaging. A small ramification on the ingredients and the supply chain of the products where there are differences. And so now we're going to see another change. And what we have is a lot of people forecasting what the demand is going to be, but it still it's still not going to be accurate. And what manufacturers and food supply chains need is a very responsive manufacturing and supply chain. And so at TXM, what we do is we help companies respond quicker, have shorter lead times so they can react and have their products faster to the customer to meet that new demand and ensure that the customer service, the satisfaction of having those goods available, the responsiveness to the restaurants to be able to say, yes, we can supply you, and the delivery services and the supply chain are all aligned to enable either whatever demand happens in retail and demand happens in food services is going to be a very interesting time. So I urge you to contact us at TXM. Send us an email. It's txmtv@txm.com or comment on our LinkedIn page. I'm Anthony Clyne, and thank you for watching this episode of TXM TV.